Okay guys, doing a little brush cleaning back here with the skid steer. A little sloppy, couple of big tree stumps right there, but managed to get all this cleaned back up for the most part. Get the brush piled up on these old stumps. It's a plumb nasty day, I can tell you that. Greasy. But it's about 50 degrees today. Told you there was a 6-foot pull type offset disc in here. Just had to dig it out. But that's like everything else we do. There's always something else to do on the farm. Get stuff put up, moved around, done for the year, and try to do a little cleanup. Try to make trails through the woods so I can get back in there if I need to. Great for cutting wood. And I discovered something back here. A little concerning. There's a big brush pile over there around that stump. And if you can kind of see it, see if I can do this. That stump's about 4 foot across. That was a big white oak we logged out of here. But getting the multiflora rose bushes shoved up in piles. I discovered something back here a while ago. To say you've got a widowmaker is an understatement. That is a widowmaker. And somehow or another I'm going to have to manage to get that rascal out. I have no idea how. But it's like everything else, I got to. Wind got the top of this thing, it was rotted out, but wind got her this year. But like everything else, just add it to the growing list of things I gotta do. My sure buzzard over there ain't dead yet. Come back another day. But there's everything growing back here. Multiflora rose bushes. And this, I really don't know what this stuff right here is called. It's like kudzu. It stays green in the wintertime. And it's so wiry. I mean, it's like morning glory on steroids or something. It's just nasty. Nasty to deal with. I got into a rented farm I had one time that had that stuff real bad in it, and I had never come across it before in my life. And I backed a 5-foot flail mower into it. Boy, was that a mistake. I spent the next 4.5, 5 hours with a pair of side dikes cutting that crap out where it wrapped up on the main shaft. I still remember doing that. Lots of saplings to deal with. Wish I could find somebody that needed a 435N John Deere corn head, because I sure hate to leave this one sit here. 3-row narrow, and I gotta get it out. Gotta do something with it before these trees destroy it. They ain't done it already. It's like everything else. You got one thing to do, you got 10 dozen others that need to be done too. Well, probably enough of me babbling. Come up to get some work done on a nice 50-degree day in January. Ground is actually still kind of froze underneath. Now if I could just get all this unburied. Multiflora roses. the scourge of the farmer. And the amazing thing is how fast them suckers grow. That's the thing that gets you. At any rate, enough of me babbling. If you like, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I guess I better get the old gal back to work. So we'll see you next time.